In this video, we're gonna perform a quick fingerprint sensor speed test on Samsung Galaxy A37. So here we have the under display optical fingerprint sensor, and as you can see, of course, we can just hold in here on this position in order to unlock the phone. Now, the sensor is okay in terms of the speed and how fast it recognizes the fingerprint. Although sometimes I feel like it could be a little bit faster. Of course, simple tapping doesn't work. This is not ultrasonic sensor, so it's not going to work like that. And you need to hold it for like half a second at least, maybe even more, I'm not sure, to be able to unlock the phone. So it's not too bad, but of course it's nothing impressive as well. It's a pretty standard speed. I believe that some fingerprint sensors on other devices that are also optical, of course, they seem to be a little bit faster compared to some of the newest Android models. Although I would say it's still pretty okay. Like for the typical use of the phone, for like an average user, I would say it's just good enough. It's not like it's really slow or anything like that. It's not really the case. It's not like it has trouble with recognizing the fingerprint as well. If you scan your fingerprint properly, there is no issue with unlocking the phone. Of course, I'm gonna also check the screen off. I mean the speed of the screen off when the fingerprint sensor is not activated. So of course, usually when that is the case, you have to hold your finger for a much longer time. However, in some cases, of course, this can still be pretty quick. In here, we definitely have to hold our finger longer compared to the lock screen, of course. But like I said, it's pretty standard. You definitely have to hold it for a longer time that you do on the lock screen, but it's still pretty okay. But just like in the case of the lock screen, it's nothing impressive really. You have to, when the screen is off and there is no sensor visible on the screen, then usually you have to hold for like even a second or so to be able to unlock the phone. So it's pretty much twice as slow as on the lock screen. So maybe for some people this might be a huge deal, that the fingerprint sensor requires you around a second to unlock the phone when it's locked. And of course, let's be honest, most of the time if you want to unlock the phone, then it is of course completely locked. We usually don't open the lock screen in order to then use the fingerprint sensor. Usually we just try to use it straight away. So I believe this is actually the most important part. So in this regard, just once again, it is nothing really special, nothing unusual. It is not really slow, but definitely it could be a little bit faster. At least I feel like it could be a little bit faster. We can of course also try always on a display. When AOD is activated, then of course the sensor is visible. And then in this case, I believe we have to hold for approximately the same amount of time as on lock screen. Yeah, so I guess the fastest way to unlock the phone would be to do that with via AOD or via lock screen, of course. And if you try to unlock when the screen is completely off, you can of course still do that, but it's going to be a little bit slower. So I feel like the speed of the sensor is just average, nothing unusual, nothing really groundbreaking or anything like that. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.